In the Land Rover vehicles, when you are importing the vehicles, there are some cars that will tell you they have the trip computer. So in this video, you are going to understand what is a trip computer. When you are told that this car, the features that it has a trip computer as a feature. So what is this trip computer? So this is what you're going to discuss, and you will understand what is a trip computer and how you can use it and what it does. So let's dive deeper into the concept and functionality of a trip computer in this vehicle, including the features, the benefits, and how it enhances the overall driving experience for you as a driver. So this trip computer is used to display some data when you are driving from one point to the other. That is like the trip now. So this trip computer, it will take all the data, and if there is any calculation with regard to that trip or to the numerous trip that you are making, it will also display. So the first thing that the trip computer will display is the distance traveled. And this trip computer will display the total distance covered since their trip started. So this will help you as a driver to track the progress of your journey and estimate the remaining distance to your destination. That is, for example, if you knew the distance maybe in kilometer, maybe you are coming from one point, maybe from Nairobi to Mombasa, and you know maybe it is 500 kilometers. So the trip computer will be displaying you the total distance covered. So you will not keep on relying on the road signs, that maybe sometimes there are some parts that you may not find that road sign that will tell you maybe how many kilometers now to Mombasa. So if you have this trip computer in your vehicle, it will display to you the distance covered and the distance that you are remaining to your destination. Another thing that it will display is the average speed. So it will calculate the average speed of this vehicle over the duration of that trip. So this metric is useful for accessing the driving efficiency and compliance also with the speed limit. Another thing that the trip computer will do is displaying your current speed. So this will provide the real-time information on the vehicle's current speed. And this will aid you as a driver in maintaining a safe driving speed and compliance with the speed regulations. Also, it can display the elapsed time. So it will show you the duration of the trip since you started driving. So this information will help you to manage your driving time and plan for breaks during the long journeys. So if you wanted maybe to drive for 2 hours and then you take a break, it will show you that the time has elapsed for the 2 hours and now you can take a break. Another thing that the trip computer will display is the fuel consumption data. So this instantaneous fuel consumption, it displays your current fuel consumption rate in the real time. So typically it is displayed as in liters per 100 kilometers. That is, how many liters have you consumed per 100 kilometers? So this feature will help you to adjust your driving habit to achieve a better fuel efficiency. It will also display to you the average fuel consumption. So this is the instantaneous fuel consumption, how much the vehicle is consuming at that instant. And the average fuel consumption, this is the way this trip computer will calculate the average fuel consumption over the total cost of the trip. So this will give you the insight into the overall fuel efficiency of how you are driving your car. And then also it will estimate the current fuel level and average fuel consumption. So by having this estimate, you can know the distance the vehicle can travel before you refuel, before it needs refueling. So this is crucial for planning of fuel stops and ensuring uninterrupted travel. You can also get some information from the trip computer, like the temperature and the weather information. So It will show you the outside temperature readings around you as a driver to monitor the weather condition and adapt your driving accordingly. This trip computer is also integrated with other features in the car to display the navigation-related information, such as upcoming turns, the distance to waypoints, and the estimated time of arrival at the destination. So this function actually supports efficient route planning and will help you to navigate unfamiliar roads confidently by providing you by the clear guidance and real-time updates. So it integrates with features like the maps. So there are so many benefits of having this trip computer in your car as a feature, because now as you can see, it will help you to adapt fuel efficiency driving experiences, like using a smooth acceleration and deceleration during the trip. You can also have what you have said, you can plan and move with convenience. So by consolidating the essential trip-related information into a single display, it will enhance for you the convenience and it will reduce the distraction of driving. So you can quickly access all the critical information without diverting your attention from the road. You can also set, using the trip computers, and it will put a history of where you have gone to. So this review of historical trips will facilitate data analysis of your driving patterns and fuel consumption trends, maybe over a period of time. So this information can be valuable for you to optimize the routes and identify opportunities for improvement. So when you have this car, and maybe you have imported for you a car and we tell you this car has a trip computer, these are just some of the benefits that you get when you're driving a car which has this trip computer as a feature. Thank you so much. And if you need more information or more consultation about importing a vehicle, zero mileage or slightly used from different countries like the UK or the South Africa or any other country, we are here to help you. We will guide you through on the process of importation. We can also source the car and we import for you. We will do the clearance at the port and registration of the car to any country that you may wish your car to be delivered to.